Picture this. It's 2026. You've just driven home in a brand new SUV. It looks stunning in your driveway. Gleaming paint, intoxicating new car smell. For the first few months, you feel brilliant. Great style, cutting-edge tech, solid financing deal. Fast forward to 2028. The warranty is fading. A strange shudder appears when you merge onto the highway. That warning light the dealer fixed twice is back. You're locked into a 5-year loan on a vehicle that's quietly draining your wallet and your patience. This is the nightmare those flashy TV ads never mention. Welcome back to Drive Duel. I'm your car companion. Today, we're skipping 0 to 60 times and horsepower to talk about protecting your money. We're examining 3 2026 SUVs that look perfect on paper but hide serious reliability risks, from engine failures to electrical disasters. For every "don't buy," I'll give you a proven bulletproof "buy this instead" that holds value and keeps you moving. Let's save you from a costly mistake: the off-road illusion. First up, an American icon, the Jeep Grand Cherokee. The appeal is obvious. In Summit or Overland trim, it feels luxurious. Beautiful leather, massive screens, and that rugged go-anywhere attitude. A quick test drive, and you're hooked. It feels substantial and premium. But here's the harsh reality. Consumer reports and long-term owner data rank the 2026 Grand Cherokee among the least reliable midsize SUVs. We're not talking minor glitches. Serious drivetrain problems are common. Costly air suspension failures, transmission computer faults, differential issues, and leaks that require dropping the entire transmission. A major recall hit over 90,000 recent models for sudden loss of power due to a powertrain control module fault. Imagine merging onto the freeway with your family, pressing the gas, and nothing happens. That's a safety hazard, not just an inconvenience. You pay a premium for the badge and image, but reliability doesn't match the price. Do you really want repeated repair visits and excuses to your boss? The smart money choice. Want a family-friendly midsize SUV with available 3 rows and all-wheel drive without the breakdowns? Buy the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. It's not as flashy as the Jeep, but it's far smarter. You'll stop at the gas station half as often. Real-world figures around 35 to 40 miles per gallon versus the Jeep's thirsty numbers. Reliability is the real story. The Highlander's proven hybrid powertrain is refined across Toyota's lineup. Owners report minimal serious issues. Electronics and transmission simply work. Financially, it crushes the Jeep. The Grand Cherokee depreciates heavily. Buyers fear repair costs. The Highlander holds value exceptionally well. In 5 years, you could pocket thousands more when selling the Toyota. Choose: look cool waiting at the shop, or drive confidently past it in the Highlander. The budget German trap. Next, the booming compact crossover segment. One model tempts buyers with sharp European styling and a surprisingly low price: the Volkswagen Taos. On paper, it's compelling. Crisp design, fun turbo engine, sophisticated feel. It seems like genuine German engineering at a bargain. Reality check: there's nothing more expensive than a cheap German car. Heading into 2026, reliability data raises red flags. The 1.5-liter turbo has reported fuel pump and injection problems that cause rough running, stalling, or no-start conditions. Electrical issues abound: frozen infotainment, erratic body modules, windows refusing to close, random alarms, brakes and suspension wear prematurely for a modern vehicle. The Taos shines in driving dynamics, peppy and agile, but once the warranty ends, German parts and diagnostics cost far more than Japanese or Korean rivals. You save up front, then hand it all back to the mechanic. The alternative, the peace of mind. King want a compact SUV that's spacious, enjoyable to drive, and wallet-friendly long-term. Choose the Honda CR-V Hybrid. It's not the most exciting option, but it's the smartest buy in 2026. The latest interior feels premium, attractive design, comfortable seats. Underneath lies rock-solid engineering. Honda's hybrid system is smooth, quiet, and battle-tested over decades. You're not gambling on new tech. Fuel economy beats the Taos in city driving without turbo lag or jerky dual-clutch shifts. The CR-V is roomier, smoother, and far more durable. Many reach 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Resale is outstanding. Dealers love clean, used CR-Vs. A Taos with spotty history? Not so much. The Taos is a gamble. The CR-V is an investment in peace of mind. The tech gone wrong. Trap. Finally, one of America's best-selling SUVs, the Nissan Rogue with the VC-Turbo engine. Nissan deserves credit for innovation. Variable compression technology dynamically adjusts the engine for power or efficiency. Brilliant on paper. But brilliant engineering doesn't always survive daily life. Massive recalls hit nearly 450,000 vehicles for potential catastrophic engine failure from seizing main bearings and L-links. The engine can suddenly turn into scrap metal at highway speed. Terrifying and dangerous. Nissan has issued fixes and monitoring updates, but the damage is done. Even if your unit avoids failure, resale value will suffer for years. Few buyers will touch a high-mileage VC-Turbo Rogue. Its classic over-engineering, chasing specs, created a reliability nightmare. The keep-it-simple hero need a safe, capable, compact SUV that won't self-destruct. Buy the Subaru Forester. It's the opposite of the Rogue. While Nissan chased complexity, Subaru perfected simplicity with a proven, naturally aspirated boxer engine, reliable for decades. Performance isn't thrilling, but it starts every morning and runs forever. Capability shines. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive on every model. One of the best systems for snow, rain, and light off-road. Outstanding visibility, top safety scores, and pragmatic design make it ideal for real life. Owners love their Foresters. Many Rogue owners dread recall letters. Trade flashy specs for proven durability, and the Forester wins long-term. The rules of 2026 quick recap. The smart rules for 2026 SUV shopping. 1. Don't fall for the badge. The Jeep Grand Cherokee looks regal, but the Toyota Highlander Hybrid actually reigns with efficiency and reliability. 2. Don't confuse cheap with value. The VW Taos saves upfront. The Honda CR-V Hybrid saves thousands later. 3. Avoid unproven tech. The Rogue's VC-Turbo is clever, but risky. The Subaru Forester's simple engineering is the safe choice. A car is likely your second biggest purchase. Don't let ads or salespeople push you into years of regret. You work too hard to waste money on repairs. If this guide helped, hit like so more people see it before signing the papers. Subscribe to Drive Duel for more straight-talk car advice. Comment below, would you risk the Jeep style, or are you Team Toyota? Drive safe. I'll catch you next time.